What's up, VIPs? I'm Jamie, this is Kelly, and this is Jess, and this is an all Usher jam workout. No equipment needed, just tons of fun, super high energy dance. I am 41 years old now, and I grew up in the era of Usher. I got to go to see him in concert this year. He is just one of those guys that just is literally just dripping in swagger, and we are so excited to bring you this jam workout. I hope you love it as much as we do. If you're watching on YouTube, I want you to drop in the description if you love Usher, what is your favorite Usher song? You know, it could be anything from Nice and Slow to anything on this playlist. I'm curious to see what your favorite Usher song is. Let's go, Usher, baby. Okay, this is Usher's brand new song, Dientes. And then we've got another one of his new songs, Boyfriend, right after this. We're kind of going backwards, and I hope you enjoy this as much as we do. It's a little fast, but promise you're gonna keep doing it over and over and over. I promise you that you will get it.
Peace Hood, Latinos, let's go.
We're gonna speed this up in 4, 3, 2, 1. Loosen up those hips. Just feel it. 4, 3, 2, turn, 2, 3, 4.
Vistiendo y viendo que la está rompiendo, pues te voy a llevar de viaje, pasaje pa' España o pa' Londres. ¿En dónde te escondes? Pa' que regreses, sonrisa de porce. Dale, sonríe, dale, confía. El corazón frío, los rubíes, los
Take it down, lift, shake it. 4 corners, same thing, over and over. Right, left, right hand down, knees up, shake it. Up. Same thing from the top.
Two pilots, balls that make all in it. Big salad. Wonder when you scores when they all sit back. I guess that's when they all get it. Head pivot. Biggest question, why she not back? First thing we talking about when she get back.
One more time. This one's a little different. Right foot. Switch hips. Yeah.
I'm a 9 times out of 10. My position is to go
hit this right here to the right.
Position, overreact. Get them in position and give them feedback. Hey. My honest is the honest truth to never be fair.
Hands down, knees up. Yes. Right, left, right. Hey. One more round. Here we go. Again, same thing. Open. Roll it. This one's a little different. Let's listen to the music.
Let's go.
Enséñame los dientes.
Hey, one more time. We're gonna go back to the top. Speed it up. All right, good job. This one's super fun too. A little upbeat, a little poppy. Then we'll get to cool it down. We're gonna do a kickball change. 3, 2, 1. Now pop the ray, take it back. 1, 2, 3. Stay here.
That's cool.
Again.
You know I'm pretty easy to find. Just
take it around.
Little
MJ shout out. 2, 2. Turn it out. 3, 2. Now, turn and shuffle. 1, 2. Now we're gonna turn it out. Booty turn. And you pop. Same thing.
In your head, 'cause I'm not in your bed. You just imagine they dreaming about me.
Step. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you got that booty moving. Again. We're gonna go from the top.
Somebody
Kickball
say that
change.
your boyfriend's looking for me. That's cool, that's cool. Well, you should know I'm pretty easy to
Turn it out this time. Come on.
Just look for me wherever he sees you. Somebody say that your boyfriend's looking for me. That's cool, yeah. If you could find a way to get in your mind,
Turn it out.
say he want me, that's all that he gotta do. I go wherever you go.
2 times. Slide back. Little chest pump there. Come on, come on.
Wherever you go.
Step and shuffle.
Not to be all in your phone, but I know that's not what you
Turn it
want.
out.
Might as well keep some pictures of the two of us in your home. When you slow dance by yourself, I'm right behind you. Yeah.
Box step right here.
Spray my fragrance on your skin. It will remind you of the times we linked up and the nights we dreamed of.
Last time.
Somebody said that
Kickball
your
change.
boyfriend is looking for me, and that's cool. That's cool, yeah. You should know I'm pretty easy to find.
Turn it out right here.
Just look for me wherever he sees you. Somebody said that your boyfriend was looking for me. That's cool, yeah. If he can find a way to get in your mind, say he won't be, that's all that you gotta do. I go wherever you go.
2. Side back.
I go wherever you go. Wherever you go. Wherever you go.
Last time. 1 more round. Come on. Now you know it. Feel it.
Yeah, go wherever you go. If you can find me, 'cause I live right here. Honestly, all the time.
If you haven't watched this music video, you gotta watch it. Da, 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 da. All right, you made good cool down. I hope that you had so much fun. We have had so much fun. Don't forget to put in the comments your favorite Usher song.
We still
We're
good.
gonna take it right.
I hate to be to make
2.
it to forever. Probably ain't getting back together, but that don't mean that I can't wish you
Hold it
better.
for 4,
Good,
3,
good, but we
2,
still
1.
good. I realize that I can't be your lover. Let's just keep it honest with each other. I'll be happy for you when you find
Hold it.
another. We good, good, but we still good.
Roll that heel.
Who knew it'd be like
Turn
this?
it out.
Usually my ex is
Left side.
enemies,
2 times.
but this is different.
Turn it.
'Cause we done got closer now that you ain't with me. All that love that we had, ain't no way we gon' forget that. In your family, love me like I'm family. You know where you stand with me, so when they
Good
ask,
job.
tell me
Right.
right,
Left.
right,
Up. Take it down.
Can't say.
Good job. Right and left.
You
bend the
always
knees,
been
drop
a
it
real
down, and we're
one,
gonna
even though
hold
we
to
ain't
the right.
together. It was
3,
real love,
2,
and baby it's
1.
still
Take it
love.
down.
I hate that we make
it
it
out.
to forever. Probably ain't getting back together, but that don't mean that I can't
Take
wish
it
you
down.
better.
4,
Good,
3,
good, but
2,
we still
1.
good.
Left.
I
Right.
realize that I can't be your lover.
4, 3,
Let's just keep it
2.
honest
Hold
with
it
each
to the left.
other. I'll be happy for you when you find another. We ain't good, good, but we still good.
That you made for me to be your man.
Turn it out.
All the stacks that you just spent on me, they don't go forgotten. But we're happier apart than locked in.
Make that circle as big as you can.
I promise, boy, don't do drama.
Let the hips lead the
It didn't
movement.
work, but I hope you find another. I wish you peace, I wish you good sex and good sleep.
Free your
Find a
hips.
girl of your
Free your
dreams.
mind.
'Cause I sleep well at
Free your
night,
life.
knowing this ain't meant to be. Long
2.
time, it's like we did it.
Again. 4 singles.
All good things come to an end.
2.
So let's just learn the lessons that my love
And take it down.
I hate that we make it to forever.
All the way.
Probably ain't getting
together.
I realize that I can't be your
Forward fold.
lover.
Walk it out right
Let's
to
just
left.
keep it honest with each other. I'll be happy for you when you find
And roll it
another.
up.
We ain't good, but we still good.
No matter who you with, I wanna see you happy. Yeah, it didn't work out, but that don't mean you should attack me.
What a great
We
message.
enjoy the
What a
5-star
great
meals, but
song.
you was with me for the Zaxby.
still
Holding
want
me
your
down from the start.
person to be
I used to be
happy,
broke, I was
even if
at
it's
you.
not with
I
you?
hate we didn't tie the knot, but shit, that's how life go.
Or
You always
single.
would say that I might blow. Got rich and I pay for your lipo. I
Two.
know the person you is, that's why I still wanna be friends.
You got
If you
4
wanna
singles.
open up a new
Back to
salon, I
those
still
heel
help pay
twists.
for the wigs. And I help with the lease. You know I ain't never been cheap.
Turn it out.
Relationships don't always last, but let's not turn it to beef. I come through from time to time and have you grabbing them sheets.
turn it.
That's if you want to. I'm just playing, girl. Stop smacking your
Again.
teeth. 21, 21.
I hate to agree to make it to forever. You know, probably ain't getting
That was
back
21 Savage. That's my son, one of his favorite rappers. I'm like, good message, okay.
Good, but we still good. I realize that I can be your lover.
Take it down.
Let's just keep it honest with each other. I'll be happy for you when you find another. We ain't good, but we still good.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We love having you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for being a part of this wonderful family, whether you're watching on YouTube or you're watching on the studio online. Until next time, love you.